guys, it's Roxy Rolls and what's up? Today we are going to be doing the Appalachian Trail and hopefully we can make it to the Laurel Falls.
Alright, this is our crew today.
Yep.
I don't know if I'll be in it. Woo! Alright, we're only going to kind of show you our highlights of the trail because we don't want to run our battery down before we get too far.
So we're still continuing down the trail. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Tons of leaves around.
Pretty cool.
That is. That's gigantic. We just wanted to show this. I think that's pretty cool. There's tons of rocks and all that. All these leaves have fallen already. It's outrageous. You guys back there?
Yeah.
Okay. Just checking. I can hear some water already. Yeah, we got a long way to go. Looks like one of the campsite areas. And the sound of hearing water, I was correct. I've reached the Hakuna Matata trail. The story behind this is that her friend, Michelle, is wearing a Hakuna Matata thing, and we always sing Hakuna Matata when we get on this trail, so.
Yeah, this part here, it looks different right now because of all the leaves. But in the summertime, these rocks are really, really shiny.
And they're colorful.
Yep, this whole path is like made of rock.
Hakuna Matata, what a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata, ain't no passing craze. Means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Which way?
We go straight. Go back that way.
Okay.
Yep. Check out the mountains.
Let's go. Look what we found.
Oh, we scared him to death. Oh my goodness. Well, there was a snake.
Let's keep continuing the hike.
Yep.
What kind of snake was that? Garter?
It was
A water snake? Garters are more gray looking. Or is it just me? That one looks a bit brown. Look what we found, guys. Over it, and we got some water here. Y'all like this, and you're gonna see a lot more cooler things. Make sure you like and subscribe for more. Like, comment for some more trails you think we could do. So cool. Look at this, guys. You know, the last time the water was really like up here close to the rocks, like our feet was right next to it. But it's not like that now. Pretty cool. It's kind of wet. Get the water, look how shiny it is. That's cool.
Yeah, we've been here before where the water was right there in that path. We got our shoes soaking wet.
Yeah. Now it's the narrow goat path. Gotta do one foot after another. Very narrow. Guys, I'm trying to find a walking stick. Hopefully I can find one soon. Last time we hiked here, this is the best rock ever.
It's not just a boulder, it's a rock.
It's a rock. Has all sorts of writing on it and stuff. Pretty neat.
Yep, pretty cool. C&G 2020, shouts out. Don't know who you are.
Yep, but whatever, shout out. There's a pond mountain.
Yeah, but we're heading to the falls.
Falls this way. We've got our first bridge. So cool. What? Good, thank you. So pretty. Yeah, look at that distance over there. That's so cool. So cool, so pretty around here. Second bridge. Good view. Alright guys, look at the checkpoint we got to. We just got done climbing a mountain. Yeah, and look at the rocks here. If you're still this far, the Hakuna Matata Trail looks something like this right here. But it looked a bit more like orangey, yellow, red colors, but it looks something like this. We're kind of getting the vibe that it was the same rock. Yeah, look at the drop here. It's insane. Yeah, this is our checkpoint. We've probably been walking for about a half hour, maybe just about. There's the sign, brown sign, I knew it. We just found a sign right here. It says High Water Trail that way, Laurel Fork Shelter that way, and Laurel Falls this way. We're planning to go to Laurel Falls, so if we want to do that, we have to go down that way. lot.
They sat around the campfire. That's what they messed with in the night time, or somebody like might have been hurt. They sit there right around the camp where they were at, and they'd sit there and make them. And if they wasn't exactly perfect,
they throw them. That's how we find them, right?
Some. You find a fire kit. You find all kinds of stuff.
We made it! We did it!
Made it! Check it out. Nice sight. Wonderful. We did it. We should be accomplished. What do you have to say?
Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
Yeah. It's really pretty all the way down here. Okay, we're heading back now from the waterfall. We went another way than we came, so we had to climb up a big rock hill, and it was very steep, so we didn't record that. But we're doing this now, and it's straightened out a bit. But it was like rock stairs, and wasn't it terrible?
Yeah. We all got a little cranky.
Yeah, it was terrible. We were in the sunlight and the water mist, coolness died down. Okay, we walked a little bit longer of a hard, narrow trail. We've gotten here now.
Where is here?
I don't know where here is. Look, listen, all we've got is Dad trusting the creek, from the sounds of the creek, and I don't know, our way of navigation, that's all. I don't know where we are.
I'm hoping we walk right by that sign.
I'm not feeling good about taking this route. Is that moss?
It's really pretty.
Yeah, well, I guess we'll continue down the path. See y'all later. So, if you guys didn't know, we have hiked this trail before. We just never recorded it. But
we've never gone in this direction.
Yeah, we've never gone in this direction, so we don't know what this is. I don't know what this place is. We might have got lost. I feel like this was just a path to a campground. Never seen those kind of cans before though, that's unique. That one got crushed up over there. That's still pretty cool. Never seen that kind of drink before. Alright. Hopefully they know where we're going.
No, we don't. I see blue paint.
Where? So, down that way? What is this place, you think? I've never seen this.
Yeah.
But you couldn't go inside of it. You can just like stand at the...
Maybe people sleep on that.
That's weird.
I mean, if you didn't have anywhere better to sleep.
It's somewhere. You got that right, but... I'm not liking this one bit. I guess I better catch up. Okay, so we're gonna have to end up turning around because this is just a dead end. We don't know why we got led here, but it was a trail, so we didn't know. But we're gonna have to go back, so yeah. All right, let's go. Okay, so myself told us to go this way, and they're like, nah, you know, that's not the way. But then come to find out, we found the sign. Yeah, so if you see this posted, then all right, we're good. But if you don't, then you're never gonna hear a word from me again. Well, unless someone finds
somebody will find our SD card.
Yeah, my camera and then post it, but we'll make it out, I think. All right, so we went down that way to the waterfall. So the waterfall's down this way. So this is the way we came.
Basically, we climbed an extra mountain that we would have never had to climb.
Yeah, so.
That's great.
We would have been climbing up that way, though.
Yeah, and it would have been much easier. So, yeah. Today is Thursday, the 22nd, and my sister is planning to take this footage back to Maryland and editing it. Hard to say, but she's going to plan to get the footage cleaned up and hopefully onto YouTube. I don't want no part in that. What?
You want to try this way?
No.
Show them that log right there. I thought that log was cool.
Yeah.
Your science teacher would like to see that.
Miss Snavely, if you're watching this, check out this log we found. I'll have to send her the video. She's gonna love it. Just kidding, I don't know. But that's my science teacher, Miss Snavely. Shout out to Miss Snavely for being the best science teacher ever. You back here?
We're back.
First bridge out of 2, we're doing great. What'd you just do?
Jump.
It's a sight. Alright, we should be heading on.
Hey, JD with you.
She's reading some of the writing. Dad!
October 2020. They've been here around the same time as us.
Yeah. It's not focusing real good, but there we go. Yeah. Okay, we found our second bridge. This is a good sign. We're getting our way back. Hey, sit across the bridge, and now we're gonna continue our hike a bit. Our goal is to get out of here before sundown, because y'all don't know this, probably don't, but the last time we hiked out here, I got them all ganged up and decided to go at like 3 o'clock, like started at 3 o'clock. And when we were coming out here, it started to go sundown, and it was literally pitch black. Like it was like 9, 10 o'clock when we got out of here. It was spooky. And we about gave in to the fact of like staying, but it was like a school day tomorrow, so we tried to prevent that as much as we could. So we eventually got out. We were really scared because we didn't have no food, no resources, no tent. It's quite a while on foot, but nothing like our bike trail. If you haven't watched that, you need to go back and do that. Bike trail is pretty cool. We done about 11 miles straight on a bicycle. Yeah, it was tough, but we overcame it like fighters, and we're gonna overcome this hike like fighters. Well, I'll update you guys soon if something exciting happens once again. So yeah, see you soon. We found our rock. A lot of amazing art on it. Another time, last time it came here, you see that tall rock over there? Well, that rock, the water was up terribly high right on the edge of it. We were right next to the water, weren't we? Yeah, some. It's probably the part where my
Water was up to here.
up to where? Yeah. Great news to the public. Hakuna Matata Trail. We found it. You start the singing and I'll join in to the chorus. No, like while we're going down the holy trail.
We're not there yet. Rocks haven't changed.
Okay. Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Means no worries for the rest of your days.
I think it's really pretty.
It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. And now we're off the Hakuna Matata Trail.
Somebody got in the mud deep with their feet.
Yeah. Ooh.
I'm happy.
Just like me.
Oof.
Yeah, big oof.
Yep, just got that on my shoes.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That's
boy.
great.
Oh, no.
I got mine worse last time. That might stain it. Maybe you can wash it. Some buildings. We are making it out. Once we get farther to road, I'll pick up back on y'all. We made it.
We did it. Ah, we're back. We're back. Dad
Feels
hasn't
great.
made it yet. Oh, poor Dad. All right, so this trail we were at, apparently it's trail 501, blah, 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 Hampton Blue Line.
Blue pizza.
Yep, Little Blue Pizza.
You can take that off if you want to.
Nah, we'll leave it in there.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more adventures like this. Make sure to comment down below if you have any trails in mind or any ideas for future videos. Alright guys.
Thank you
Hope
for
you have a great
watching.
day. Thank you.
Peace
Bye.
out.